Welcome once again to the Russell Brown Show from New Zealand. In this series of episodes, I'm capturing images in New Zealand. I'm going to show you tips and techniques for photographing with an iPhone. You'll learn how to capture it right, and then you'll learn how to process it right with Lightroom and Photoshop. Let's get going with this next episode. This is another great opportunity for a fantastic panorama of this scenic landscape here in New Zealand. I've got the wizard here. He's ready to herd these sheep. I'm going to get him here at the top of this hill, and I'm going to pan across. Two important things to remember about this shoot: a sturdy tripod and a bubble leveler here to start things off. And then of course, for my panorama, I'm here on my iPhone 11. I'm going to switch to the super wide angle because it brings in all of this great landscape. And here's the most important thing of all when shooting a panorama. I want to have a consistent exposure across the entire panorama. I don't want to just change the exposure as it moves across. Remember this one? Tap and hold on the screen and you see an exposure lock and a focus lock. Bingo. I'm going to loosen up the tripod and check this out. I can pivot right on that balanced platform that I created earlier. And the really great thing about this is, as I move across the landscape, the horizon stays in the same place as it moves across. And now I have the widest and best panorama possible because I'm moving in such a smooth pattern and it's not handheld. Now you know the secret of capturing a great panorama here in New Zealand. If you want to learn more about the Photoshop and Lightroom techniques that I used in this episode, be sure and go to russellbrown.com. You'll find all of the featured tutorials at that location.